Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can import Notion templates. So there are two methods how you can import a template. So the first method is just simply go to the browser and search for Notion templates. Then go to the Notion templates gallery. Then over here you will find hundreds of templates. So to try a template, just simply choose a template model, then click on it. Then after you have clicked on it, you will find your Notion name over here, and if you are unable to find that, just simply log in once and then come back to this page. Now to add this particular template in your Notion, just simply click on duplicate template over here. You can also view the template over here just by clicking on it, and you can find a demo over here as you can see. Now go back to the template gallery, click on duplicate template, wait for a few seconds, and now as you can see the template has been duplicated in your Notion. You can also go and check on your application version, you will find it is also there. Now if you have a custom template made by anyone, or if you have a link of a template that you want to import, so to do that, what you have to do is just simply go to any page. Let's do it over here. So just simply type in over here the link that you have. So I have a link over here for a template, so just simply paste your link over here. Now just simply click on your link, then it will open up in your browser. Then after that, just simply click on duplicate over here, and again wait a few seconds, and the new template has also been added to your Notion. You can go and check in your Notion application as well, it is present over there too, as you can see over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.